Hello and welcome to this video on GrabCAD Print updates for the month of February. My name is Robert French and I'm a 3D printing applications engineer with GoEngineer. The Pro version of the software saw some great upgrades to the estimates. We can now do costing analysis right inside of GrabCAD Print, rather than exporting to Excel and doing math ourselves. The configurable table includes things like material and support cost, a time rate overhead, a fixed overhead, supplemental, all kinds of categories that we can configure to get accurate costing estimates right in the software. Let's look at the costing estimates in software. If we click our View Estimates button and jump to the Build Report tab, we'll notice a new column, Costs. Currently 0 because we need to fill out some important information. Jumping to the Costing Rates tab, we can fill in costs for material, support, and various overheads including time and per part fixed and supplemental costs. Once we do this and save it, jumping back to the Build Report tab will show us the final cost, and this is saved per material, so it's something you can keep saved, and no matter what material you're printing, you'll see an updated cost. As far as the general updates, we have a great new feature in the section view. If you've used any CAD software before, this is a familiar tool. Really just helps us cut our part in half and see internal features that were otherwise obscured in previous versions of GrabCAD Print. The text in the estimation window can also be copied and pasted other places now, lets us manipulate that data a little bit easier. The position tool that existed before is now available for all technologies, all 3D printing types. Measure tool has been included in the PolyJet technology, and SAF reports have gotten a great enhancement, now exportable as a very useful and containing a lot of information HTML format. As well, there's been some default settings updates, things that are more commonly used that should be set as default to begin with, and some other visual and bug fixes that always come along with software updates. If you hadn't heard yet, there's a new system available from Stratasys, the F3300, which is now selectable in GrabCAD Print for users to tinker and get familiar with. This is a large format printer. The build size is roughly 24 inches by 24 inches by 31 inches, and it holds 4 materials. It has multiple print heads, each using those different materials with an auto tool changer. Because it holds these 4 materials and each is using a different print head, we can print multiple materials at the same time and have multiple resolutions or Z-layer heights. We're going to have a faster throughput with faster servo motors and gantries, and a lower material cost as the material comes on open spools rather than canisters. They're loaded into dry chambers, so the print quality is kept up the entire time. Be sure to check out this machine and let us know if you have any questions about it. That's it for the updates. If you have any questions on any 3D printing topic, be sure to reach out to us. We're happy to help. And thanks for watching this video on the GrabCAD Print updates for the month of February.